Good morning. All of you take out your social study reader and we'll begin with a new lesson, lesson number 14, festivals and community celebration. I hope all of you have completed your previous work. Now we begin with a new lesson. It's all about festival. A festival is a day of celebrating an important event. Yes. Now, what is festival? It is an important day. We celebrate it. Yes. It is the time of enjoyment and fun. Some festival we enjoy it. Yes, it's a festival where we wear new clothes, we have sweets, we visit each other. They develop a feeling of love and brotherhood among us. We like to celebrate festival because it's time for enjoyment and fun, and we have a feeling of love and affection and of brotherhood, and we visit our near and dear ones. We clean and decorate our homes on festival. When it is festival time, we clean and decorate our houses. Yes, and with this we stitch new clothes. We prepare sweets and all. Your parents, right? They prepare sweets, yes, and they call visitors and all, and you all visit them also. Thus festival give a new and fresh look to our home. How does it give a fresh look to our home? Because we have decorated our house, we have done all the cleaning work, we have prepared sweets, we are wearing new clothes, stitched ones they are. So it gives a fresh look. Now the festivals are of two types. One is national festival and one is religious festival. What is the meaning of national festival? National festival, it is celebrated countrywide. Yes, national festival is countrywide, and this is a religious function. Depends on what religion we belong to. According to that, we celebrate our festival. Our festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are three national festival of India. Which is the national festival of India? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. And now you all know what is Independence Day, what is Republic Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August, Republic Day 26th of January, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Now Gandhi Jayanti because it is the birthday of Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. So these are all three national festival of India. These are celebrated by each and every citizen of India. Uh, it is celebrated all over India, and it is celebrated by all the Indians. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Guru Parab, Dashera, Eid, and Christmas, they are celebrated by people of different religions. Yes, and they are called the religious festival. Now, what is religious festival? You know, if you are Muslim, will celebrate Eid. If you are Christians, will celebrate Christmas. Hindus, Dashera. The Sikh, they celebrate the Gurpurab. Yes, so of differently, and they are called religious festival. Festivals like Pongal, Onam, Durga Puja, Baisakhi, Bihu, and Rath Yatra are also celebrated in some state of India. Now these are also names of festival, and they are celebrated in India in some states of India. Now you know what is national festival, and religion festival. National festival celebrated all over India. Religious festival according to your religion. Now we come to national festival. National festival. Indian Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated countrywide, all over the country. All the states and the union territories of the country celebrate them. All the states and the union territory. Hmm. Union territory, you will learn when you come to higher classes. There are 8 union territories, and it means that they do not have a government of their own. It is controlled by the central government of India. You learn more in detail when you come to a higher classes. Union territories of countries celebrate them. Our national festival, there are national holidays all over India. When we have a national festival, we'll have our national holidays also. Yes. Now, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated countrywide. All states and union territories of the country celebrate them. Our national festival, there are national holidays all over India. Now you know what is national festival, and it is celebrated all over the states and by the union territories. And when you have your national festival, we have a national holiday. Now turn to page number 104. Now we come to Independence Day. Independence Day also you know what it is. We are celebrated in our school. Yes, our country became independent on 15th August 1947. This you are learning since when? This day, that is 15th August, is celebrated as Independence Day every year. It is 15th of August. It is our Independence Day. We hoist the flag, and every year we celebrate it. And every year when we go to school, the principal or someone from outcome, the principal hoists the national flag in our school. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Now, who will hoist the flag, national flag? The Prime Minister. And where will he hoist it? The national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. He delivers a speech about the country's development in various fields during the year. And he gives a speech also. In that, he will talk about his development for the country, the progress of our country, all for the betterment of the country, what he has done, all that he'll talk. On this day, we remember those brave people who fought for the freedom of our country. Now, who all are the people we have learnt in our great national leaders and their achievement? We have learned that one is Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bhagat Singh. These are all the national leaders who have fought for the country, for our country, who fought for the freedom of our country. It is a national festival and it is celebrated throughout the country. So they fought for our country, yes, in the various field during this year. On this day, we remember those brave people. Now we remember all the brave people who fought for our country, and because of them, we got the Independence Day. And year after, we celebrate Independence Day. We hoist the national flag, and it is celebrated all over the world. It is a national festival and is celebrated throughout the country. Here you can see, you will get, it is all telecasted everywhere on TVs and everywhere. We watch what all program is going on. Yes. Now we come to Republic Day. Our country became republic. That is, the Constitution of India came into beginning on 26th January 1950. Now you know what is Republic Day. There also we hoist the national flag. Yes, it is celebrated on 26th of January. Constitution of India, you know. It is a rule laid by India to follow for the betterment and progress of India. This day, 26th of January, is celebrated as Republic Day every year. The Republic Day parade is organized at the Rajpath in New Delhi. Now, parade is organized by the different kinds of people. You'll know when you watch in the TV, you will know the army, the navy, all the three forces. They march past. The President of India takes the salute from the parade. Who will take the salute? The President of India will take. Head of the state of other countries are also invited to attend the function. Now, head of the states are also invited to attend the function, to see the function. The armed forces, that is the Air Force, Navy and Army, and public personnel, school children and the tabulets from different states participate in the parade. Okay children, now this I will explain you once again tomorrow. Okay, so you read up to here only. Okay, read this lesson very well. Yes, read up to here, and you should know about your Independence Day, so learn thoroughly. Okay children, have a good time and remain in and remain safe.